Good day. This is your NeoWeather video forecast here on Monday, February 3rd, 2014. Well, a dry and quiet Monday are on the way, but a major snow event is going to arrive late Tuesday and into Wednesday. We'll detail that. And more cold air is on the way. All the details straight ahead. Taking a look at the NeoWeather 3D Max this morning across the United States, things are dry in the western United States, but there's a major storm for some areas on the east here. We'll take a look at that right now here. As we saw the snow last night spread across southern Ohio, and now it has made its way into Pennsylvania here. Some pretty big snows going on up through New York and Philadelphia, and it's all rain on the south side of that, but areas picking up several inches of snow. I know the southern portion of Ohio picked up some pretty decent snow from Cincinnati through Athens and right here along the Ohio River. And that's kind of rare for them because they're used to not seeing big snows a lot down that way because of normally they're on the warmer side of things, but as they will be later this week with the midweek storm we'll talk about here in a minute. But our area is dry this morning. Not much, I should say nothing is going on, and I expect it to stay that way through the day on Monday. Alright, taking a look ahead at this big storm which everybody wants to know about. Well, here we go. We're going to take a look at the future view here. Here's that storm right now that we were talking to you about. It's going to make its way out of here quickly, and then here comes the next one as we make our way into late Tuesday into early Wednesday. Here it comes knocking on the door, and then look at this, a pretty good round of precipitation moving through the area right on the front side of this, and this, as we proceed this forward, will continue. Now this is going to be very interesting because you've got a small window and you're going to have some pretty good totals coming out of this as this will proceed here into Wednesday, and as you can see it all moves out fairly quick, so it's a quick hitting event. But as we're going to take this back and take a look at this precipitation type because that's what everybody wants to know about. So here we go, bringing this through as all snow, and we showed you that initial reflectivity shot, so it's going to be some pretty heavy snow to start out, and it's going to continue here. Here's your mixing situation at this point. From pretty much, I like the Route 30 corridor, points south. We'll have to watch this Columbus area. That's going to be a very tricky forecast. And as we proceed this, now this pulls some warmer air into Canton and Youngstown. We'll have to watch this. I think it's too far north with the warm air, but it's very possible that it could occur. Even if it does occur, I mean, it's going to be a short period because watch, as we proceed this here, it's gone, proceeding back south. So that could trim your snow totals. I think the best place mixing, Route 30, points south. I think that's a safe bet to play with this. I think the models are a little far north on this precipitation type, but we'll keep the snow and then we'll move it out. And you can, if we look at the GFS real quick here with this storm, here comes the snow. See, it keeps all the mix, actually almost 70, Route 70 there down through Columbus point south. So we've got a couple things that are varying here on our computer forecast. But generally, mostly staying snow for northern Ohio, some mix near the Route 30 corridor. Taking a look at the almanac, 37 and 26 were the numbers for the day on Sunday. That 37 was set a little after midnight on Sunday morning because we were hanging tight pretty much in the upper 20s throughout the day. Averages 35 and 22, records 57, negative 8. 0.29 inches of precipitation, bring us up to the month total of 0.91, 2.91 for the year, 7:36 sunrise, 5:46 sunset. Here we go, winter storm watch, Tuesday evening through Wednesday afternoon. This is pretty much for the entire area. Yeah, that's pretty much the story as we have the storm moving in Tuesday night and into Wednesday. So here we go, snowfall totals. We've been talking about this over and over. Here we go, 4 to 8 inches, a general bet across much of the area, 2 to 4 inches along that Route 30 corridor and points south. We'll have to, this is a battle zone because of where that mix sets up is almost nearly impossible determine, but I like the Route 30 corridor points south for mixing precipitation, 2 to 4 inches in that area, 4 to 8 inches north. Don't be surprised, the 4 to 8 area, if you see a few places squeak out 9 or 10 inches, but it will be an isolated areas and not widespread, but still a very good snow. And the biggest thing that I stress with this storm is the fact that it's going to fall in such a small window, and that's going to cause problems definitely during the morning commute on Wednesday. But for now, we're setting the stage for what's going to be a pretty partly sunny day today. We're starting out with mostly cloudy skies, and we'll start to see that sun start to break through as we make our way into the afternoon. We'll climb through the teens and into the middle 20s by the end of the day. High of expect of 25 degrees, north winds 4 to 8 miles per hour. Tonight, pretty much a cloudy sky, partly cloudy, 20 there at 7 p.m., 17, 11, 16 by 2 a.m., and 16 by 5 a.m. there. Light winds, no chances of any precipitation tonight. Next 7 days, here we go. Mostly cloudy. Tuesday, clouds increase ahead of the next storm. Snow likely Tuesday night. I would expect most areas picking up several inches of snow. And definitely as we head into Wednesday, 4 to 8 inches total north of Route 32 to 4 south. That's going to be pretty much the story as we're hanging in the upper 20s on Wednesday. We'll dry out. Some colder air sneaks in for Thursday, Friday, 18 and 20 there. And then some more snow chances as we make our way to the weekend. 26 on Saturday and 25 on Sunday. Stay updated, neoweather.com, all the latest on the upcoming winter storm. I'm forecaster Eric Poston. Make sure you stay connected with us by visiting our website, neoweather.com, and interacting with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. NeoWeather, Ohio's home for weather.